Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. From 5th to 8th March, Pope Francis will make the journey to Iraq under the motto, "You are all brothers." 4 speeches, 2 homilies and angelus and a prayer of suffrage for the victims of the war are scheduled. On March 6 in Baghdad, the Holy Father celebrates Mass in the Chaldean Cathedral of St. Joseph, one of the country's 11 cathedrals. There are 202,000 Christians in Iraq out of a population of 40,412,000 citizens. Before 2003, there were more than 1 million Christians, but the war has dramatically reduced their number. There's great expectation on the part of the entire Christian community for this journey of Pope Francis, a journey that will take place in the name of human brotherhood that embraces all men, unites them and makes them equal. The children of Don Bosco Damascus Oratory in Syria welcome the beginning of the Lent, taking part in the rite of a blessing and imposition of ashes. It's time to prepare for the future. Don't wait for it to arrive. We need today a different way of being at work in organizations. We need the ability to care for one another. We need to have a look at a family that is of men and women who can contribute reciprocally to the care of the family and to work to the care of society. Two days of South Asia Economists Meet took place in Don Bosco Provincial House, Okhla, New Delhi on 22nd and 23rd February 2021. Father Biju Michael, Regional Councillor of South Asia, Father Davis Mariparambent, Provincial of New Delhi Province, and 11 provincial economists participated in the meeting hosted by Delhi Province and coordinated by Father Amalados Samson, Coordinator of Economists Forum South Asia. The members of the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM) of Johannesburg gathered on February 20th in the parish of All Saints of Innerdale to reflect on the Rector Major's Srena 2021, "Move by Hope, See I am making all things new," Book of Revelation chapter 21 verse 5, and on Pope Francis' message for Lent. The day began in typical Salesian style with various games, followed by viewing the video of the Srena and a discussion on how the young people perceive the Rector's Major's message. There was then time for Eucharistic adoration, accompanied by a penitential liturgy. The Eucharistic celebration was the highlight of the day, which ended with a hunt for spiritual treasure with reflections on the Holy Father's Lenten message. About 60 representatives of the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM) from the various works of the Salesian family of Uruguay lived their annual assembly last February 10th on the Zoom platform. Organized by the Permanent Table of the SYM, the event made up of the delegates of the Salesians, the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, the ADMA Youth and the Salesian Cooperators was held with the aim of deepening the priority needs in the life of young people and of young adults of the SYM. At the end of 2 years of formation, 27 aspirants from the Association of Salesian Cooperators (ASC) were admitted to make their promise in the Salesian province of Chennai I&M. 21 during the Mass celebrated on February 6 in the Co-Cathedral of St. Mary in Chennai, and 6 during the Mass celebrated on February 7 at the Mary School in Vellore. The aspirants delivered their promise in the hands of Brother Asirvathamb, ASC Coordinator of the I&M Province, in the presence of Father Jose Kochimkunal, Provincial of the I&M Province, and Sister Nirmala Lazar, FMA, I&M Provincial, under the guidance of the ASC SDB and FMA Provincial Delegates, Father Edwin George and Sister Mary Sheila. The meeting of the delegates for the Youth Ministry of America took place on 15 and 16 February. The appointment was organized by the Youth Ministry Department led by Father Miguel Angel Garcia Morcunde, General Counselor for Youth Ministry, and Father Rafael Bejanaro Rivera, Coordinator for Social Works of the Inter-America and South American regions. The study themed Education in Love, Affectivity and Sexuality, How to Accompany Young People is part of a process of reflection already started in the Salesian congregation on the urgency of responding with courage and competence to young people's need. In digital format, the meeting served to provide a consultation on this issue by the whole region, which was called upon to contribute to the construction of a solid reflection by all. Practical suggestions were given to activate and strengthen the various pastoral educational environments of the Salesian works. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. See you again tomorrow at the same time and in the same channel. Thank you for joining us.